The Honor Play features a large 6.3-inch notched full-screen IPS LCD display with 1080x2340 Full HD Plus resolution, 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and a screen-to-body ratio of 89%. Honor says the smartphone is roughly the same size as traditional 5.5-inch smartphones, made possible by the trimmed bezels on all sides. Powering the Honor Play is Huawei flagship 10nm Kirin 970 chipset with a dedicated NPU to power the AI features. The smartphone also integrates GPU turbo technology that is claimed to help boost performance, lower power consumption, and enhances picture quality. Honor says that its new smartphone is 2x more stable when compared to the Xiaomi Mi 8 when gaming. The smartphone also comes with 7.1-channel Hisense sound and 3D game sound effects. At the back of the handset is a 16MP plus 2MP dual-lens camera system with dual AF and AI scene recognition that can identify 22 different categories and over 500 scenes. On the front is a 16MP selfie camera with AI portrait feature. The smartphone also supports 3D portrait lighting, which works similarly to the portrait lighting feature on the latest iPhones. Keeping the lights on is a 3750 mAh capacity battery, which Honor claims can provide up to 1.5 days of usage even for heavy users and offers fast charging support. In terms of software, the Honor Play will be the company's first product to ship with the Android 8.1 Oreo-based EMUI 8.2 out of the box.